The Photoshop note tool just basically lets you make text notes directly on your canvas that you can attach to the image or the file. I can click anywhere on the canvas. Say I'm working on a project with multiple people and I want to tell them something. I can come in here, say I want to change the eyes a different color. I click right there, and then it opens up the notes panel. And I could come in here and say change eyes, change eye color, right? And there you go, that's one note. Put another note, and so on and so forth, right? And you can always access them in the notes panel. You can hit these arrows to flip from note to note, and you see the number right down here. Then at the top, we got our options and settings. We got the tool presets, same as every other tool. We got an author option. You can type in the author, which is, whoever's writing the note. You can change the color of the note. All right, now it's a different shade. You can clear all, if I want to clear every note that I have. And last, you can show and hide the notes panel. You don't ever have to click this button. You can just, if you have the notes panel out anyway, like I do, you can just click it over here. So that's the note tool in Photoshop, guys. It's a quick rundown. If you got any questions or comments, make sure to put them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.